Hi guys, I am Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So the next interview question, it may ask you in interview room, explain the wait and notify method. Explain the wait and notify method of thread class, guys. Okay. So this wait and notify method or notify all method are coming from object class, guys. Okay. These are the object class related method, guys. Okay. So object class related methods. Okay. And this object class related method, okay, object class related method, okay, override in thread class, guys. Okay, override in thread class. So what is the use of wait and notify method, guys? Okay, wait and notify method. Okay, so wait method is called by a thread. Wait method is called by a thread. Okay, then it gives up the lock on that resource and goes to sleep until some other thread enters the same monitor and invokes the notify or notify all method, guys. Okay, so it means to say whenever any thread call wait method, okay, that wait method gives call gives call to the gives call to the other thread. Okay, gives call to the other thread. Okay, other thread to execute. Okay, and until that other thread doesn't invoke notify or notify all method. Okay, till then this till then that thread, okay, the thread which will execute wait method, okay, that thread will wait. Okay, that thread will wait for the execution, guys. So we can explain with example. Let's have one example, guys. So let's say we write one class and the class name we write a, okay, 106, guys. Okay, a106 and then here suppose I said, okay, here suppose I said extends thread, guys. Extends thread. Okay, extends thread. And then after, okay, I write a run method at here. I write run method at here. Okay, now let's say I write one variable, public variable, public, okay, public integer, okay, count, public integer count. Okay, and the value of count will be by default 0, guys. Okay, value of count will be 0. And then whichever thread will come for execution here, whichever thread will come for execution here. So now then after I we will execute that thread, okay, from 1 to 10, guys. So integer I is equals to 1, I less than is equals to 10, and I plus plus, guys. Okay, and now uh, I'm using one random class here. Okay, random class. Okay, this random class is coming from java.util package, guys. Java.util package. Okay, from java.util package. Okay, random class is coming, guys. Okay, random. Okay, random r. Okay, and then this random class present one method, okay, next end method, okay, which will generate one random value. Okay, so we can generate a random value up to 10. Okay, not more than 10, guys. Okay, not more than 10. Okay, it will generate one random value which will lesser than 10, guys. Okay, so integer n, and then all 10 times it will generate one random value, okay, into this n, guys. Okay, and now s out, okay, we can print it, guys. We can print it. Okay, so all 10 times. Now, okay, we will execute this thread with the main thread, guys. So how we can execute? So we will say, okay, for before that we will create one thread, a106 a1 new a106. Okay, and now we will say a1 dot start, guys. Okay, a1 dot start, and then after I will say for, okay, for this will be the execution of main thread, guys. I is equals to 1 to 5. Okay, I less than, okay, I less than is equals to I is equals to 1. Sorry, I is equals to 1. I less than is equals to 5, and I plus plus, guys. Okay, so now then after, okay, uh then after this thread will execute, or we will not write this in method. Okay, so we can say s out. Okay, we will say a1 dot a1 dot count. Okay, so we will say value of count. Okay, so we will say a1 dot count, a1 dot counts. Okay, so I will say run file, guys. So okay, so you will see, guys, you will see value of count, okay, is 0. Value of count is 0, guys. Okay, so now all 10 times okay, it generated, okay, a random number, guys, up to 10. So now what we have to how we can use this count variable? We can use this count variable something like this. We can say count is equals to count plus n, count plus n, guys. Okay, so count is equals to, okay, count plus n. So and then at the after the loop we can print the value of count. We can say count, okay, we can say count after calculation, count after calculation, okay, count after calculation, we will print the value of count, guys. Okay, but we are printing this count value, okay, in child thread. Okay, but again we are printing the value of count, okay, in main thread, guys. So now you can see, okay, we will avoid this print statement. Okay, so we already deleted one. Now run file, guys. You will see, value of count is 0. Okay, but after count, okay, value of count will be 40, guys. Okay, so I want to execute this statement. I want to execute this statement. Okay, after the calculation, after this calculation, I want to execute this statement, guys. Okay, so now, okay, I will delete this statement. Okay, now run file. You will see, guys. Okay, value of count is 0. Okay, but after calculation, value, okay, of count is 43, guys. So for that, okay, we will we will we will say, okay, wait this thread. Okay, we will say wait this thread. Okay, wait this thread. Okay, to execute this statement, execute this statement. After executing this code, okay, please execute this statement. So hence we will call wait method at here. Okay, so and we can invoke wait method, okay, by using synchronize block. So synchronize block, and in synchronize block, okay, so and in synchronous block we will pass a1, and then we will say a1 please wait, a1 please wait, a1 please wait, a1 please wait. Okay, and it can generate an exception. Okay, unreported interrupted exception. So which exception it can generate? It can generate interrupted exception, guys. So hence I will say throws, okay, interrupted exception, guys, interrupted exception. So we said a1 please wait. Okay, a1 please wait. Okay, because you have already started your execution, a1 please wait, okay, for this execution. Okay, and then okay, we will say from here, okay, we will say we can invoke notify method. Okay, notify method. So we will say, okay, so we will receive the object of, before that we will receive the object of currently executing thread. Okay, we will say thread, we will say child thread. Okay, and then we will say thread dot current thread, thread dot current thread. And then in synchronized block we will pass the object of child thread, child thread. Okay, and then we will say, what we will say, child thread. Okay, child thread, please notify, please notify. Okay, please, okay, invoke which method? Notify. So now you will see, guys, you will see, count after calculation is 38. Okay, and value of count is again 38, guys. Now run file once again. Okay, but if we don't invoke, okay, this one, so main thread, this is the execution of main thread, this is the execution of main thread, and main thread will not wait for child thread to execute first. Okay, later on it will start its own execution. Okay, so it will simultaneously, okay, simultaneously will execute with the main thread, guys, with the child thread, guys. So now run file, you will see, okay, this will be the execution of, okay, which thread? Main thread. Okay, main, okay, value of count, okay, from main thread. Okay, from main thread. Okay, value of count, value of count, okay, from value of count from main thread. Okay, we can write something like statement case. Okay, so now run file. Okay, 0, but already started the execution of child thread. So child thread, okay, continue its execution. Okay, but before that this statement will get executed. So hence we will write, okay, in a synchronized block, we will say a1, okay, and then we will say a1 please wait, a1 please wait, okay, a1 please wait, okay, and then also we can say here synchronize, okay, and then after the execution of this loop, okay, after the execution of this loop, we will notify, okay, we will notify waiting thread, okay, we will notify waiting thread, okay, to start your execution, guys. Okay, so now run file, you can see getting, guys. So wait and notify, this is the use of notify method will notify this child thread, okay, that wait is complete, okay, and then start, okay, next one execution, guys. So this is the use of wait method and notify method. And again we can write wait for, okay, particular millisecond, guys, particular millisecond we can write, okay, wait, like for example 1 second, 1 second, okay, after 1 second, okay, you have to wait for only 1 second, okay, you have to wait only for 1 second, guys. Okay, so now, okay, now after the 1 second, okay, so after the 1 second, okay, it will wait only for 1 second, guys, okay, and then after it will start its execution, guys. Okay, so this is all about wait method, and notify method, guys. Got it, guys? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, guys. Okay, thank you, guys.